Hi, in front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by tapping on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. In order to do that with tricky navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of your app and select this little icon with 2 rectangles. Then tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can drag one of your apps all the way to the left or to the right and tap on Home button. You can also just swipe both of your apps in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!